Hello. Welcome to my first attempt at an unboxing video. What I will be attempting to unbox is the Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra, which Elegoo has just sent me for review purposes. What can we say about this printer? It's currently on offer for $269.99. Regular price of $338. This resin printer has 9K resolution, a smart mechanical sensor, AI camera for real-time monitoring and time lapses, and Wi-Fi cluster printing, whatever that is. All right, so let's crack this open and see what it looks like. This is my first Elegoo printer, I think. Usually I've been experimenting with some other resin brands. So let's take a look in there. The cats are curious. Okay, so what do we have here? Some sort of tray, we'll look at that later. Power line. And the printer itself. It's not very heavy, that's good. And there's not too much in terms of accessories, also good. At least not too much to unpack. Wow. I expected the unboxing to last longer than that, but there it is. The Elegoo itself, a power line. And this, what's this? An instruction book, Mars 5 Ultra. Cats, you're ruining my video. Excuse me, we're filming here. Okay, let's open this. Okay, there's some more goodies inside. Toolkit. USB. Power brick. Scraper. Cats. Oh my god. What's this? Calibration card maybe? A Chitu box. Subscription. Oh, cool. Chitu Box Pro subscription. That's cool. Wow. Activate license within 12 months upon receiving this card. Oh, well, I was not expecting that. That's cool. Some strainers. Filters. Regular tools. Allen keys. And some masks. Please get off. Right, here we have the build plate. And what's this? Oh, this is the camera, I guess. Yeah. Note to self, put the cats in the other room when recording. Oi, stop fighting. Be kind to each other, it's Christmas. You godless cats. And there's the lid, which is statically attractive, so that's going to be picking up loads of cats' hairs, as they always do. That's a pretty good looking machine. The Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. We'll be reviewing this over the next day or two, and we'll be posting the review on 3dprinting.com. That's all for now. Bye.